In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board on mondaycom. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and manage projects effectively, then creating a new board is your first step. So let's dive in and get you started on this platform in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open monday.com on your preferred web browser and sign in using your credentials. If you're not familiar with monday.com, it's a powerful work operating system that helps teams run projects and workflows with confidence. Logging in will bring you to your dashboard, which is the central hub where all your current projects are displayed. Now that you're signed in, let's choose the workspace where you want to create your new board. On monday.com, workspaces act like folders where you can organize different projects or teams. Selecting the right workspace helps in keeping everything orderly, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once you've settled on a workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking this icon will reveal an option labeled New Board. Go ahead and click on that to start creating your board. Next, it's time to give your board a name. The board name is crucial as it quickly conveys the purpose or contents of the board to everyone who accesses it. Take a moment to think about what this board will be about, and then enter a name that clearly represents its function. After naming your board, you'll need to decide on the type of board you want. Monday.com offers different board types to suit various needs, such as a main board for general projects, or a private board if you're working on something sensitive. Consider the confidentiality and the specific requirements of your project before making a selection. Now that you have your board, it's time to populate it with columns and items. Columns help categorize information such as status, priority levels, or deadlines, while items are your actual tasks or project goals. Don't hesitate to explore the variety of column types available to customize your board to your project's needs. With your items and columns in place, setting up different views is essential to track progress effectively. Monday.com allows you to set up views like Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar, providing you with multiple perspectives on how your project is unfolding. These views can help identify bottlenecks or progress at a glance, ensuring that you remain on top of every detail at all times. Finally, once everything looks good, hit save, and you're all set to start using your new board. Feel free to invite team members and start collaborating right away. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a monday.com pro, using boards to simplify and organize your projects effectively.